Let me see it, girl. Let me see the boy.
And she nice to the mother.
She should just relax.
Look, you can see that him text me.
Yeah. See him text the eyes there first, and look.
See there, you thick mama.
Let me see the girl right there. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
The boy told me to save his name as Bay, mom.
What if you save it as?
Bay.
They?
Bay, B-A-Y.
Or be able to lie.
Yes, everything start. It's when him say, my day are broke. Yes, someone say, okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
If you make sure we delete, I will beg me the $100.
Yeah.
And the vice
Oh,
versa, yes,
yeah, see the advice note, so yeah.
and then vice versa, him start saying afterwards now, and when him start class me. So when he knows who I was, that's when he begged me the $100. Yes, he didn't knew at first, because we are talking normal, but then when he know what time it is, because he tell me, oh, mother, how can you talking to a woman and I tell me, say, show me something. So I'm trying to him and say, where you want me to show you? His reply was surprising. Show me what you have. Show me what you have mean. I can show you a cocky or a pussy.
Yeah, no, no, and a pussy, him know you have him know, I did dick him once, but him know
exactly. So I say, where you want me to show him? Say, surprise me, show me what you have.
Because when them ask something, always are going at me, don't know what them attack.
Exactly.
But them want to say pussy, them, I say, let me see a pussy.
Let me see a pussy.
Yeah.
Mother, look, natural as the day, my bang.
Are him that?
Yeah.
How am I do them finger them? Oh.
No, my finger, you see that reflection in the mirror.
Oh. Oh, I'm talk to you, sir.
Yeah.
I see my hustle upon him blood clad face. I see my hustle girl. Because them things a girl have them things a girl in America. And when them bleach out and so, girl go frightened for them and stop me. Me not say no money.
She got into her ear.
Me
See
not
boy
say,
see there? Look at the boy save name what's name phone.
I'm saying my name was Nicole, babe.
No, that's what him. That's what him tell me for same female as.
Yeah.
And him say I can put the art on it. See there?
Oh, him save it as babe.
Yeah. And him say him so art on it. Look, I'm say prove it. I'm say show me. You see, him sent and then delete it.
Mm-hmm.
Him know what time it was. Him know what time it was.
Of course.
Him just come on the internet and act like him don't know.
Of course, I work my work, daughter.
I work in my work.
Yeah. In my work, my love. So when you beg money, you tell him say you're not sending it or whatever, my love.
Exactly. I just him hurt. Because when him know what time it was, mother, that's when him start begging me.
Yeah.
And I suck him. I said to him, say, bright, you know, my from know that's no story get sell and man fuck when you know from know and the second night you call me at me about yeah beg me $100. If you think some your girl, you know some your girl, why you delete the message them?
Mm-hmm.
Why you delete it? Yes. So for the don't people them on the live, I say him don't know. Why him delete the message them?
So hold on, the people didn't dip on the lab and said no.
Mm-hmm.
I full foot that there.
Why delete those messages? Why delete the message when they beg me?
Him know exactly what I do, girl. Him know exactly what I do. But him don't know. So him I put it say when he put the picture when supposed to face that way.
I mean address it because I put on my picture. You understand? Because I been seated on mother, but I don't address it because I don't want women talk about my phone, mother things say me and the same, I would do that to them. You understand? So I don't address it, I don't acknowledge it. You understand?
Yeah.
I just kill it. But today when him go live now and start talking and act like and I say, me text him and I couldn't show him pussy. I'm like, boy, you didn't ask to see no pussy, bro. Like, you know what time it is. Stop.
Also, him go live?
Him go live not too long, mother, with about 6 boys side of him. Oh, not try but your my name. Not try but your... I'm like, what the fuck?
Damn. Him stupid, eh?
With be a boy side of him, a gun me say, me make 2 man come kill your Bronx. Here no. What do you big pussy get? Yeah, me not even know if I call you. Me not even know if I call you. Big pussy get. Why you call me big pussy get? You know me, man.
So, how Blandy reaching at it?
Blandy is my friend. Blandy know what time it is. Blandy know him. Blandy give my man before an actual man. But him and Blandy fall out and I saw come she start classing. Cause when Blandy attack, Blandy I say she give him a foreign man and him tell the foreign man say must want to come a foreign and the man send him money for look for the passport and him take the money by NFC and slippers. So Blandy I say send the man to come and me here because you have my address where the man with me give you send things to me for send for you or you send it from Jamaica for me. So him and Blandy in a deal. So no shade, no tea. Even if that person in him just call go, Apple is supposed to trick him, cash have a makeup. The moment you open him,
What me also now? Sky.
I'm right here, mother.
Mm-hmm.
So if him think that she was one girl, from she start talking, know what time it is.
Okay, the boy know exactly what I'm going. Because if Blandy give man, that means that him know exactly what time it is. And if Blandy says she give man for true.
Yeah, she know him, mother. She said it's her friend. She said it's her friend. She said the boy have her address. When she found something like this morning, I go panic, mother. I mean, I listen to what she has said, and she literally knows him. Like, literally knows him. Give him a link.
Yeah. But him stupid though, because if you know all of that, when him gone
If
live,
you love it.
yeah, him should just love it for true, because you know him no obligation to send him the money. Him should just love it and done it.
Mother, the second night, him beg me. And that's when he know what time it was. And I so comes him beg me. Mother, no boy now, no mother. I when the boy them hungry at Jamaica, mother, the boy them now beg the woman them just so.
Yeah, them now big money just so them are
Them
going on.
gonna tell us that them chopping line, them want carry find date, them want to, I don't even know them cannot do it. Moment them know who you be, that's when them start beg you.
Yeah,
That's when them start beg you. I don't know what's this IG.
Damn. Him stupid though, him give up for himself, my love.
I'm regular job.
Yeah, I'm regular job.
Him
For
come
try.
him come for chopping line, but he never bingo. Him just a sweat.
Him get a whole per sweat, him get about 15 sweat or 16 sweat. And
But some
25
mother, you want, yeah. Mother,
25 bag, eh?
him follow about 10 Batman, mother. Like literally follow. Him follow Batman, a woman could him follow Batman, a man clothes. Him follow Ninja, him follow Dream, him follow me, him follow the B lady name and all of the like about 10 girl.
Yeah, because him a hustle, him a try hustle.
Plus the rest of them don't follow where you can stick, because you know the boy them I work now, them not follow them not DM you. So nobody knows say them follow you, them just DM you.
Yeah.
We know how this go. Come on now.
Yeah, girl, all of them will DM me. All of them will DM me, and you know, DM them a big money. And as them biggest some of black them. Call the care, I'm not saying, I don't know why. And then him so stupid, him gone live.
Mother him go live about 7 boy around him. Bitch not try beat up man. Me make man. Me make man shut in our Bronx. You know, I know when you go back and find a big pussy girl. I'm like, what?
Yeah.
You come here girl no same you come here girl same way. Address me as girl. Which one you address me as?
Yeah.
Which one? So you confuse yourself. But I don't know it.
Ever go suck your mother and come off of the live? Who she?
I don't know she get one at block.
Well, I go do.
Mm-hmm.
Nice black, but Let me see. Le. Yeah, the slippers dirty like a pussy with blood up and can you just see a period, bitch? And you know wash out your oil. Go ahead. Your pussy musty. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Him vex the show. Him vex time to get the $100. Kill him dead. Kill him dead. Him like some Western Union line.
Yeah, because that's a talk about the boy look how far she look on slippers. Bitch, you don't even, I don't even, maybe you don't even have slippers.
Yeah,
I'm
look
mad.
for she.
That I'm mad, the mad girl. But okay, you know, I have no reason for mad because nobody know him nothing. Just
Nobody
say,
owe him nothing. He is so guilty.
mm-mm. Them say Blondie say me in the boy video we get exposed. How about the same too?
Yeah, I'm just a she know him mother, she know him.
Yeah.
She knows him. That's what I just say. But she name talk 24/7 pound video call now, audio call, everything. Like she actually knows him. She gives him link. She knows him personally.
No, wait now. Him want trap in line too fast. Yeah. But look
Him
at
want
him.
to line too fast. Him wants him go General Western Union line.
Yeah.
You understand when I talk? Oh.
Oh, you have an American there?
Oh. Huh?
You have an American boy there.
He's Guyanese.
Oh, Guyanese. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, Server. So the boy not have no sense to look like girl. Cause you know, if him beg you money, I just say you're not sending the money. Him not go to go to the next girl. Come and say, I hope a girl like you just will send it, you know. But you have some
Yeah.
just not send it. Cause you have some girl.
Mother, him fool. You say for him to give him at least 1 week or 2, but
Yeah.
that's about it. The second night,
Yeah. Somebody save him live. Or
I
him
track him
live.
down by monster.
Yeah. Which video you ask for? The natural bleaching. I would say the natural bleaching. This is talk shift bay.
I don't know with that. Natural bleachings. The natural bleachings.
The guy would
I
send him
ain't more
$1.
shit.
Guy would send him $1. We're sending him, can go pick up the dollar.
Make him go join the line, dog.
I can go join them and pick up the $1, girl. Then him could have class me after. Uh-huh. And then the class it and then when my class say dirty batty man, you like said.
Like said. That's why man fuck them because they don't follow them own.
The true man. Them are so long the light takes to come back, man.
The light gone?
Yeah, they must have fixed the light at the door. Am I rush the process?
I never see Sky in mix up it. I'm not in a mix up it, but just clarify something. Just address something. You know that's not me.
What remember when you send the tracking number into the call and find out if you did it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, them saying in that video. I am a fuck the boy, I don't know. I wish video
No, I guess him have one friend. Him have one friend where must in one video where exposed where he's just like in the background with him.
Bumbo. Then if you back on with him, then he might do the same thing with the friend that do.
Him go kill him mama. And mama him go kill.
The girls need to stop saying money. And not just it's not just the trans girls them or the gays them. They really want them to stop it too. But you know, truth be told, the real man them send money go give man a Jamaica more than the trans them. Like literally. Cause some girls, I don't know, some girls love send man a Jamaica, but them don't know. But them not talk to for no time. They just meet the man and next week they want to take up the man. And they don't know nothing about the man. Body my damn fool, my love, me no look. I when them call me. I when them call me on Instagram, my love, me just when I just politely press the X.
them say CJ friend.
I don't know. Yeah, but I just I just press the X politely. I just press it politely. And then I don't know, sometimes I put my number up in the don't on some occasions. Them get the number. Yeah, remember the video with the two man them, original mourners. I don't know what's wrong with these boys. And then the girls them not trying to expose no boy.
Yeah,
Like,
there.
what them say?
And the person said Sky Blondie said him did suck it too. His video just don't come out yet, but she asked for it. Oh.
Look like a busy daughter.
Yeah, later.
Alright.